This ancient Shilajit Honey is becoming every athlete's secret pre-workout. Here's why it beats stimulants for real performance. Shilajit Honey blends mineral-rich Shilajit with natural honey, delivering fast carbs plus fulvic acid-driven cellular energy for steady power. It's linked to better exercise performance and less post-workout fatigue. Take a honey stick 30 to 45 minutes before training. Honey tops up glycogen quickly, while Shilajit supports endurance without jitters or crashes. Shilajit may enhance ATP efficiency, reduce oxidative stress, and support faster recovery, useful for longer sessions and frequent training. Evidence suggests Shilajit can support testosterone and physical performance over consistent use, valuable for strength blocks. Pair one stick with water pre-workout, add electrolytes on sweat-heavy days. For heavy cycles, consider a second serving post-workout for recovery. Choose lab-tested products and avoid cheap blends with fillers or excess sugars that can spike and crash energy. Want the pre-workout script and product checklist? Comment athlete and save this video for your next training day.